Hello and welcome, I'm Jessica. Today let's talk about some way to make money from your blacksmithing. So first things first, you need to get ready to sell at some in-person shows. You need to prepare some product and you need to start gathering the supplies that you'll need to do a craft or an art show. In a lot of cases this means you might need a tent, normally about a 10 by 10 for a lot of shows, and you'll also need a couple of tables and some chairs. You'll want to find some quality arts and crafts shows. One way of doing this is going to your state's tourism website and looking under a section they might have labeled as festivals or arts and crafts shows. Now these are generally highly advertised, and so they are going to be good quality festivals or craft shows that are going to bring in a lot of people. You're looking for a show that has several thousand people in attendance if you can get one of those near you. The registration at such a show may run $100 to $150, so prepare to pay that. But also you can get with the organizers of the event and let them know that you would like to do a live blacksmithing demonstration. If you are able to do this, we highly recommend it because it will bring 3 to 4 times more table sales when you have a demonstration going on, because people love to stand there and watch, and just it brings on like this experience that they're having, and they want to get a memento to take home with them to remember that. So when you do something like that, it is super handy to have a safely cordoned blacksmithing area where you have your tools. You might have an anvil, a portable vise, a little table for your tools to sit on, etc. And then you'll also want to have somebody to actually help manage the sales. So if you have a spouse that could help with this, or a friend, even kids, if you're a part of a family, you know, your kids can be really cute for helping out the customers too, and just getting everybody involved in it and making it a family affair. Lastly, you'll want to have a lot of products to take along with you, because you might sell anywhere from 25 to 30% of the actual quantity of products you bring along. So you'll want a big variety of items. Try to get a lot of them $20 or $30 and under. A lot of things that have done well for us in the past is to have like a variety of hand-forged hooks, which, by the way, hint hint, you can get some at blacksmithingblanks.com. We have like over 20 designs of hooks if you're looking for some quick and easy projects that you can put together. But you can sell those hooks in the range of $15 to $20, and people go crazy over those when we've done the shows before. And just having like a variety of styles, because people have different home decor, and having something that is attractive for just about anybody, that really helps a lot. But some of the other items that you can have as well, we've done well with skillets, priced somewhere in the about $70 to $100 range. We've taken a few of those before as well and sold out of those. And so if you are not demonstrating, depending on the show, you might be able to make around $300. But if you are able to do a live demonstration, you could make upwards of probably $800 to $1,200 doing a live demonstration at a really good show. So we hope you found this information helpful. If you have questions about selling at different art venues and things like that, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. We may have additional videos on this in the future. And we also have a playlist of similar type videos that we will link down in the description below. Thank you for watching this video and have a fabulous day.